Ever pondered the secret behind the smooth operation of a synchronous motor? It's all about synchronization, but not just any kind. Let's delve right into it. A synchronous motor, by definition, is an electric motor where the rotation of the shaft is perfectly in sync with the frequency of the applied current. This principle of operation sounds simple, but there's a fascinating science behind it. Picture this: a synchronous motor consists of two main parts, a rotor and a stator. The stator, the stationary part, is wired to the AC power source, and it produces a rotating magnetic field. On the other hand, the rotor, the rotating part, is magnetized by direct current or a permanent magnet. When the motor starts, the rotor begins to spin, but not in sync with the stator's magnetic field. This phase is known as the asynchronous or induction start. The rotor tries to catch up with the rotating magnetic field, but it can't quite get there. But here's where the magic happens. As the rotor accelerates, it eventually reaches a point where it locks in step with the stator's rotating magnetic field. This point is called the pull-in torque. From this moment, the rotor rotates at the same speed as the stator's magnetic field, hence the term synchronous motor. But what happens if the load increases? Will the rotor fall out of sync? Surprisingly, no. The rotor adjusts its torque to match the load, maintaining the same speed. This ability to maintain a constant speed regardless of the load makes the synchronous motor incredibly efficient and ideal for power generation and industrial processes. To recap, the synchronous motor operates by maintaining a constant relationship between the rotor's speed and the stator's rotating magnetic field. It starts in an asynchronous or induction phase, then reaches pull-in torque, where it locks in sync with the stator's magnetic field. Even under increased load, it adjusts its torque and maintains the same speed, proving its efficiency and reliability. So the next time you see a large generator or an industrial process churning away smoothly, remember the silent, efficient workhorse behind it, the synchronous motor, always in step, always in sync.